I believe that the killifish fry that I found incidentally in my Betta splendens 10-gallon aquascape will soon be large enough to add to the killifish colony in the 29-gallon tank. But for now, I feed it live brine shrimp nauplii on a daily basis, and it's growing quite quickly. The addition of Salvinia minima to this tank seems to be helping the algae issue. It's a fast-growing, fast-propagating plant, and so it reduces the nutrient in the water column, and the algae issues I previously had in this tank have been greatly minimized. I recently added more plants to the left side of the tank, and you can see a lush stand here of Rotala rotundifolia, Hygrophila corymbosa cherry leaf variant, with guppy grass filling in. And there's also some green water lily making a start. After a while it'll grow tall and I can snip the stems and replant them. And in the background you can see that the Octopus, or Pogostemon stellatus, is beginning to peek through the hardscape. Here on the front left you can see the green water lily more clearly. Here you can see the Pogostemon stellatus peeking through the hardscape. The Rotala rotundifolia and water wisteria on the front of the scape has a bit of an algae issue, but I believe I can resolve that with manual removal with a brush and a pair of scissors. On the far right of the scape you can see the guppy grass filling in the lush stand of plants in between the rocks of the hardscape. On the right side of the tank you can see that the water wisteria is doing very well. It's another fast-growing plant that should reduce the nutrient in the water column and starve algae. After a bit of work with a small brush and pruning the Rotala rotundifolia and replanting the tops, and also adding a bit more Rotala from my scud culture, I think the tank looks very nice.